How to say in my opinion or I think. This is a very important and common sentence in Urdu. मेरे ख्याल में, मेरे ख्याल में, मेरे ख्याल में. In my opinion, I think. ख्याल means idea, thought, opinion. So, the sample sentence is मेरे ख्याल में आज सारी दुकानें बंद हैं. मेरे ख्याल में आज सारी दुकानें बंद हैं. बंद means closed. दुकानें, shops. I think all the shops were closed today. Which is a very common sentence nowadays, sadly. Because COVID is on the rise in Pakistan. Another sentence is मेरे ख्याल में उसने मुझे नहीं पहचाना. मेरे ख्याल में उसने मुझे नहीं पहचाना. He didn't recognize me. पहचानना is to recognize. पहचाना. So this sentence is in past simple tense. I think he didn't recognize me. मेरे ख्याल में उसने मुझे नहीं पहचाना. Another sentence is मेरे ख्याल में ये साल पिछले साल से बेहतर गुजरेगा. मेरे ख्याल में ये साल पिछले साल से बेहतर गुजरेगा. पिछले साल से means then, last year. पिछले साल से बेहतर गुजरेगा. It will be better. गुजरेगा is the future tense. गुजरेगा. गुजरना is to pass. I hope that's clear. I'll see you next time. Subscribe if you want to see more short videos. Have a good day. Goodbye.